We are pleased to show you the 2024 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, tires, front all-season, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all-season, brake assist, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.